Welcome back, everybody. It is October and we are in the home stretch, and I am still testing out some of my lighting options. Today I'm going to be taking a look at a way to light up some pumpkins. This is one of my vintagey looking pumpkins that I got from the Goodwill store, and I absolutely love it, so I thought it needed an extra special effect to go inside, not just a little bulb that would normally light it up. So I found at Kroger during my recent walkthrough, be sure to check it out if you haven't, this flaming pumpkin light. It has an auto timer, so it's on for 4 hours and off for 20 hours. I love that. I love to just be able to set things and it'll turn on night after night. I don't have to worry about plugging it in or flipping a switch or anything like that, so that's great. It does require 3 AAA batteries, which is unfortunate because AAAs are so... Who has AAAs? But anyway, it's supposed to have an eerie glowing effect and look like flames. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what is inside. All right, a nice little, this is actually, I said nice little, this is actually much larger than I was anticipating. So it is almost the size of this box. This box, by the way, this item, again, I got it from Kroger. It was on sale. It regularly retails for $8, and I got it on sale for something like $6. So it does require us to unscrew the battery compartment. One of my least favorite activities. All right, let's see if that was enough. It was not. All right, slots for 3 batteries. This is kind of interesting. You put the batteries in around the perimeter of it, and they're not all together, which I don't think I've ever seen something like that. That's kind of interesting. All right, let's put the cover back on. Give it a little screw back on. Now, there is just on and off, so I guess once you turn it on, it's automatically going to do the timer. There's no way to just leave it on. Oh no. Can you hear that? This is one of those very loud lights, which is unfortunate, but you get that a lot when you buy these cheap little things. But my goal, again, was to light up my pumpkin, so I thought, check it out and see how it looks. So, what do you think? It does have a very nice fire effect. I do love the effect. I hate the sound. It might be okay outside, but this actually I was planning to leave inside, and I wanted it to turn on every day. This is clearly not going to be an option. Oh, very disappointed. I love the effect, but wow, that is irritating. But the other thing you could do is shine it on the walls. So, if you are looking for a fire and ice effect or something, it does sort of prop up on its own, so you can aim it however you want, and it'll stand there. So that's a nice effect. But again, you're going to have to deal with that sound. Okay, well, let me go ahead and dim the lights just a little bit, and let's take a look at what this looks like in the dark. All right, so here we have it slightly dimmer. I'm going to just keep reducing the light. I know the camera is going to have a little bit of a challenge with this, but you can really start to see it's only maybe 18 inches away from the skeleton, and you're getting a pretty interesting effect on the skeleton. It's kind of hard to see on the back wall, but as we get much darker, I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but you can see it on the back wall. All right, so there we go. I'm not sure we're going to be able to see that in the video, but certainly here in the room as I was testing it, I could definitely see the effects on the wall, on the back, on the ceiling and on the back wall. So certainly it needs to be pretty dark for that to happen, but it happens. So is it worth it? Absolutely not. I mean, this is $8. I think you can get one of those fire and ice bulbs for only like less than 20. So for double the price, you're going to get a much better quality product that probably has a lot better of an effect as well. I'm not sure why they can't make these cheap products quiet. If they could, I'd be all over this. I would light up all of my pumpkins with it. I love the timer effect. I just hate the sound. So I'll probably still use this in my haunt. It's just going to be far in the back where you can see it and enjoy it, but not hear it. And that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. Be sure you're subscribed if you want to see more product reviews, DIYs, and store walkthroughs. And let's get closer to Halloween. Start decorating. Until then, guys, take care. Happy haunting.